Hi guys, it's Dr. Biggle here. Now we're trying out two types of slime. The first one is pretty gooey. It's actually really easy to make. So, it's really gooey, but it gets stuck to your hands a lot. The other one is mostly more thick of a slime. It's more like putty than it is slime. Both of my friends made these, but this one's a little harder. It doesn't get stuck to your fingers as much, but this one does if you hold it too long. But the more gooier one is a lot more fun to play with. Usually you want to use the thick one as a stress ball, basically. It's actually really putty-ish. It's really hard to break. This one you can just make everything with it. What you want to do, either decide it's gooey or not, usually has to do with either the type of lotion you use or the amount of glue. A lot of glue makes it lots more sweeter. But there's also certain types of things like baby oil, usually want to put in. And if you can see real close, these little balls. They're called slime balls. I would recommend not getting them because they get everywhere. But compared to slime. Thank you for watching the video. Please hit that like button. That'd be good for 100 likes.